Mary. Today I have a unboxing of stuff to sell on eBay. So as we all know, right now coronavirus is taking over the world pretty much. Stores are closing, people are working from home. I've been working from home for my 9-to-5 job all day. I'm literally just like so stir crazy from being in the house all day. Personally, I'm not someone who likes to stay in the house all day, so this is going to definitely be a challenge, and it's also only my first day working from home, so the fact that I'm already feeling really like is worrisome, but I'll be fine. So as I was saying, lots of places are closed, so it's kind of like time to get a little bit creative with your sourcing. Now, I know I'm lucky that this situation happened to me and I just kind of fell into this. My dad just retired, and as a lot of people seem to do, he had collected like random toys and stuff in his office for years and just had them all on this big shelf. So he was cleaning out his office and he asked me, do I want to look through this stuff to see if there's anything I can sell? Of course I said yes. Having been in his office, I knew there was definitely some stuff I was gonna want, and I know that there's even more stuff in here that I've forgotten about. So I have 2 big boxes about this size. Also, this is Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. Like, what is that about? I think it must be some like gimmick or something they were doing with quill. It looks like it was really quill, but I like to really think that Pam and Jim all had something to do with packaging my box. Not that Jim or Pam would be the ones packaging it, but maybe Pam's ex-boyfriend. Anyways, I'll just get into it. First of all, I don't know a lot about vintage toys. If you see anything that you think is definitely worth a lot, please leave it below in the comments and let me know. I'll be looking up comps for a lot of this stuff. A lot of the stuff I'm probably just gonna donate to Goodwill if it's something that I think is pointless to sell. First item is elephant birthday hat stuffed animal with a cupcake. Why my dad has this, I don't know. Looks like it turned on at some point and did something. Unless you know this is some kind of ancient relic, let me know in the comments, or otherwise it's gonna go to the thrift. This is a Beauty and the Beast Clocksworth rubber toy. It says Disney. I feel like I remember them giving these out at Pizza Hut maybe. I feel like they were also advertised to be like hand puppets. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look this up. It seems really lame and boring, but it could be something. You know, people love Disney, so never just poo-poo on the Disney. Next we have an Aflac duck. Last one was aggressive. Don't think that I will be keeping the Aflac duck. Now we have a mini pound puppy. I loved pound puppies when I was little. Look how cute. And then there's the little logo for copyright 1986. We do have some trolls, which I did recently look up comps for trolls. I had got some at this other estate sale, but I didn't realize the men had glued their hair all together, which I feel like then it was just pointless to list because, you know, it's not even in good condition. They had glued hair. Anyways, this is a mermaid troll. I do think I can at least get like a little bit of something for trolls. Then we have this one who's like a duck in pajamas or something. And a Frankenstein troll. I remember this from when I was little. It's a finger puppet. You can stick your fingers in the back of it and, I don't know, scrunch his face up, make his eye bulge out. It's very hard. This thing used to scare me when I was little. I don't know, I kind of want to keep it because it's just like nostalgic. Here's the back of it. You put your fingers in there and it's just made of rubber. Very weird. My dad has had a bunch of strange objects. I mean, this is a heart, but I feel like it has something to do with 7-Up. Maybe it's just a heart for Valentine's Day or something. Anyways, it says 1988 applause. And it's just rubbery. You can move its arms. I don't know, might be worth looking into. Oh, I think it's like a duck call. Yep, that's for ducks. Wooden, see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil monkeys. Peace pipe from Chile. Does anyone know what the heck this is? It is very strange. It is appearing to be a woman's body with a cow face dressed as a saloon girl. But what in the HE double hockey sticks? I mean, how my dad obtained this, I don't know. Okay, this is something that is cool and I think is definitely worth looking into. It is a sandwich stage, first of all, if you can see that. They have this button here, you're supposed to, oh, it works! So it's playing the California Raisins song, if you can hear over this. The California Raisins, ah! Okay, ah! Really? This is the stage. As you saw, it plays the California Raisins song. I heard it through the grapevine. Then the little men go on top. 1987. The fact that it still works is really interesting to me, and I don't know. This is one of the things that I just remember about when I was a kid, going to his office and playing with that. Like, why does my dad have some of this stuff? Emoji paddle ball? No. There's several like Matchbox cars. They're little cars. I don't know whether those will be worth anything either. Maybe I could give them to my nephew if they're not. The keychain with this person's eyeball, and apparently you press it and it makes a noise like they're stuck in there. So maybe I'll keep that to put a spare key on. Okay, so this guy, what cartoon was this? Was this Rainbow Bright? Or was it the Care Bears? Oh my god, I can't remember. But he's like just a little figurine. Leave it in the comments. What is this guy from and what is his name? Oh my gosh, it's killing me. An old Donald wind-up toy. I don't think that's probably worth anything, but I did say don't ever poo-poo on Disney, so maybe I should at least look it up. It says 1998 General Food Company. It is like a wind-up toy of a mouth with hands. Does this have to do with 7-Up, you guys? Oh my god, I can't remember anything. Anyways, I don't know what this is either, but I'm gonna look it up. Oh, another wind-up Donald. Oh, this is 7-Up. This is 7-Up for sure. Okay, I knew something had to do with 7-Up. Now, this is the same kind of thing, a wind-up 7-Up dot, and it walks. Spot or trademark identifying 7-Up. Confirmed. And it is 1988 also. What was my dad doing in 1988? Just buying all the toys? Because that's what it seems like was happening. Some lapel pins, a Texas one, giant safety pin. Maybe I'm a hoarder because it runs in my family. Well, this is stupid. So it's just a bag that says happy birthday, and it's very heavy. There is this foil or whatever on the top of it. So I was like, oh, what's in it? Nothing. It's just like a brick or something that's glued to the bottom. And this says patent pending. Who wanted patent on this? Maybe it's like something that balloons, you hooked balloons to and then you put them on the floor. I don't know. This is an old Mickey wind-up toy. I don't know. Maybe I could put it together with the other wind-up toys and sell them as a lot. I don't know. This one does look pretty old though. Look at that. Put on like an old look. This is a baseball signed by, I'm having a feeling it's just like people he knows. Austin, someone named Money, Joe Mackey, Joey Sermos, number 6. If any of these names sound familiar, leave them in the comments. I don't think these are anyone famous, but you know, if I'm not into baseball, so if you know, please let me know. Brandon Watson, number, they also don't have good penmanship. Some PacMan ghost thing. That one could actually be interesting. I think that's all that's worth showing you from the first box. There are a lot of business coffee mugs, stress balls, and bird figurines. On to the next box. This is some sort of a robot called Ditto. I don't know anything about that, but here's another thing that can go with the Disney lot. A little Pluto. These I think are very exciting. These little cars from McDonald's. I don't know why, but like I saw these and the memories came out flooding back to me. They're the kinds that you like push back and then they zoom off. I think they were like a Happy Meal toy. They're from 1989. And this one is the Hamburglar and then Birdie. Some of these I just want to keep because I'm also a hoarder like my father, apparently. Lots of old Coke bottles. This one is from Wolfpack. It was called, or NC State, which is in our area. It says something about the cardiac pack, 1983. And the back, it's just talking about the championships in Mexico. My dad has all these like weird old Cokes. This one, I think it's from 1996, so it like looks older than it really is. One time my grandma's boyfriend drank some of them at Thanksgiving, and my dad was like, why would you do that? He didn't know. He probably thought they were just normal Cokes because that's how they looked when he was young. Innocent mistake. We won't hold it against you. Here is a gorilla in a cage. It says, try me, I sing Wild Thing.
Wild Thing. You make my heart sing. You make everything. Wild Thing.
All right, it's going a little long. Really hoping he didn't spend his own money on these things. I remember this. This is like a candy dispenser. You put the candy in here, and then there's this like bar thing, and you spin it around and it comes out of the guy's mouth. That's kind of cute. And then there's like a lot of fancy pins, some more bookends, and this magic wand, which has seen better days. I did pull out a few things that I kind of couldn't decide if I wanted to keep that are my faves, and I will BRB to get them. This is like this little frog reading the newspaper in a rocking chair. It's like this teeny tiny Wall Street Journal. I don't know why. I always thought it was very cool when I was little. When I saw it in the box, I was like, oh, that little frog with the little tiny newspaper. So I was like, I want to keep it. Like, I was like, Katie, because my sisters who brought it to me, I was like, Katie, is that baby in there that's like you wind up? And she was like, yeah, I think so. I don't think anyone wanted that. And I was like, awesome, because my other 3 sisters, they all actually work with my dad and they looked at this stuff before. Surprisingly, none of them wanted this weird bald baby with a diaper who, you know, waddles around. This was the last thing I was gonna show. It is just a Cabbage Patch basketball player wind-up toy. I think it's really cute. I enjoy the Cabbage Patch Kids. And I'm gonna keep that unless I Google it and find out it's worth $200, or if it's even worth $50 or $25. These are trying times. I don't know, we'll see. Please, if you saw anything you know is worth something, leave it in the comments below and let me know. Yeah, so I'm just excited to go through this. At least I'll have a few things to post during this weird coronavirus quarantine time. I hope everyone is maintaining. I hope everyone is keeping sane, taking care of their mental health and physical health while quarantining, and staying at home as much as possible. I'm hoping I'll be posting more videos in the next month or so, just because I will be home all the time and I hate being home. So I'll be wanting to busy myself with making videos is basically what I'm trying to say. I don't know, guys. This quarantine day 1 got me like, anyways, that's it. Please let me know what you like down below in the comments. And if you like reseller, thrifting, vintage, or eco-friendly fashion content, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I make a video, and you'll never miss one single minute of this thrilling, life-altering content. Thanks, guys. Please stay safe, and I might even do a live because I'm so bored. Like, that's how bored I might get, because I never wanted to do a live. I thought, like, live's not for me. I don't know what I would say. I'm way better edited. As you can see, I edit my videos a lot. So we'll just see. If you have any ideas for what I could do a live about, let me know. These are weird times. Anything could happen. Take care, and I love you.